16 Chevy Sonic 1.8 liter right side motor mount. A quick how-to: we'll be removing the air filter box. 2 T20 screws, remove those, and we'll go to the next step. Also, red clip, pull this out, push the black tab in. Again, pull this red tab out, push the black tab in, and the plug for the mass airflow sensor will come out. Next, the bottom part of this box, it's held in by some rubber bushings. Pull it out pretty firm, and then you got 2 more on this side, like so. Again, 1 over there, 2 over here. Just pull it out. Next, use a jack, piece of wood, lift up the oil pan, lift up from the oil pan, and put a little bit of pressure on there. We'll come back up over here, remove this bolt, this one, 4th right there, 5th, and then the 6th. After removing all the bolts and nuts, simply pull out the old motor mount, and you will see the excessive vibration that the vehicle was experiencing was caused by this motor mount torn. It's broken. So if you're experiencing vibration at the steering wheel, this is your culprit. Next, we insert the new motor mount in, and don't worry if the holes do not line up. The engine is lifted and you can move it to line up the holes. We got the bolts back in, 2 nuts, and so far so good. Should not be a problem for any one of you guys. Next, we lower the jack from the oil pan, remove the jack and a piece of wood. We'll install the air box, air hose, and plug back in the MAP sensor. The air box has 3 tabs, 1 right there, and 2 on the side. 2 on the sides go in those 2 rubber holes, 1, 2, and the 3rd one on the bottom right there. See if I can maneuver this with one hand. Should feel a nice solid tap when it goes in. On to the next step. Next, reinsert the air filter. Top half of the air filter box, 2 tabs will go into these slots right here. As so. 2 T20 screws go into that hole and 1 into that hole. Air filter box installed. Attach the hose. Make sure the screw is snug. Next, plug back in the MAP sensor. Push it in. And push back the red tab. It's not going nowhere. Make sure everything is secure. You didn't leave any tools anywhere. Remember, safety first. Try not to work on a hot engine. And use ramps. Much more safer than anything else. Hopefully this helped you guys. Like, don't have to subscribe. I don't put out that much content. Hopefully this helps somebody. Stay safe. Peace.